Hey everyone, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I want to introduce you to my new addiction. I've been loving these chocolates by Undercover. I love the fact that they are so crispy since the base is quinoa, so they're chocolate quinoa crisp. This is the dark chocolate, but they also have milk chocolate option. And I love the fact that they only have 6 ingredients. Let me read them to you. It's dark chocolate, pure cane sugar, cocoa butter, vanilla, quinoa, and sea salt. That is it. Remember, if you can recognize those ingredients, your body will definitely recognize them as well. I love these for a midday snack, even for a dessert, or around 3 and 4. I'm always craving something sweet, so this is great to have with either some coffee or some tea. I also love these because they come in a big bag, so they will last for a long time. So if you haven't tried them, definitely check them out. And that is my point of view.